So friends, to create the PDF, at first you have to open the Microsoft Word. After that, click on the blank document. Then now, to make a PDF, you have to choose the documents which you want to insert in the PDF. Then go to the insert option, and I have add some pictures. So I have to add all 7 pages. So I have added 7 pages. Those 7 pages. Now I have to create the PDF. Then go to the file. After that, save. I have to save my PDF in documents. And then name the PDF ABC. After save as type, change this as a PDF and save. Now friends, this is a PDF. So by using some steps, you can easily create a PDF by using Microsoft